chasing the easy life.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be my current cleaning products of 2018. Every product that I use in every cleaning video is not my ultimate favorite cleaning product. It's products that I purchased to try out that I'm using up. It's products that do a decent job that I'm using up. These are going to be the products that I show you that I get excited to actually use and clean with. This is also a collab with the Jackson Hive. They are a family vlogging channel. They do cleaning videos. Definitely go check out their video after mine. Plus, you're going to be able to get some more ideas on some favorite cleaning products of another YouTuber, which is really awesome because word of mouth is always the best, I feel like. So one more thing, you guys, I've been getting messages that some of you are not getting my videos showed up in your feed. So like 4 days later, I've had people come to me and say, oh my gosh, I didn't even know you uploaded a new video. So make sure that you guys are either hit the bell and are notified whenever I have a new video so you don't miss any of my videos. My schedule for uploading is Monday and Wednesdays now. I did change that a few months ago, but I have been popping out videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Those are just kind of extra videos that I've been doing when I'm able to do more like 3 videos for you guys a week. So if you guys don't see me in your feed and you know it's been Monday or Wednesday, go ahead and hop over to my channel and check out the new video. For some reason, the new YouTube algorithm is really messing up a lot of our channels, and you guys, whoever you're subscribed to, you might not be seeing. It's really easy just to turn on your notifications, so then you get an alert right to your email just showing when your favorite YouTubers have a new video up. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Alright guys, so like I said in the title, this is going to be a little bit of a clean with me type video. And so I hope you guys like this different kind of favorites video. But first, I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed as usual. So the first product I'm going to be showing you today is the Method Wood Cleaner. I absolutely love it. The smell is mild. It has a really nice smell and it's not too strong. So I do love it to clean all of the wood in my house. You guys know I have a lot of white distressed wood furniture, and it really polishes it and makes it look nice. For those of you who do not know, Method is a non-toxic plant-based product. I have a lot of non-toxic products that I use, and it really helps with just cutting grease, grime, and it just leaves a nice shine. So I really like this product, and this is one of my top favorite products. So my next favorite product I'm going to be showing you today is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I have been using this product for a very, very long time. It is naturally derived glass cleaner. It has a mint smell. I don't care about the smell or anything. It doesn't bother me. It is fresh. I'm not like a huge mint smell fan, but it has a fresh smell, so it works. So the biggest reason why I like this glass cleaner opposed to any other cleaner is because it really takes off any smears. It doesn't leave any kind of residue. It's just really, really easy to use and work with. I don't have to spend a lot of time on my mirrors to get them clean. The next thing I'm going to be showing you is my squeegee. This squeegee is by Quicken, I believe, and this is just something that I picked up from the grocery store. This helps keep my shower glass window cleaner. So you guys really need to invest in one of these if you have a glass shower. It really keeps it clean and between cleans. So the next product I'm going to be showing you today that I love is the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner. It is bamboo. It smells amazing. So I do clean my bathroom sinks with this. So I'm also showing you right here my favorite microfiber rags that I use, and it is by Sharper Image. I have been looking for more of these and cannot find them, and I have a lot of microfiber towels, but these Sharper Image ones are by far my absolute favorite. And I hope to find them online somewhere so I can purchase more. So my next favorite product, you guys, that is like my ride or die, is my 7th generation disinfectant wipes. I love these wipes. It kills 99.99% of germs botanically, and I use them on my toilet. I use them on counters when I just want to quick clean, and I use them on all of my doorknobs throughout my house just to kind of help keep us from getting sick and just kind of disinfecting things. They're really handy because if I don't feel like taking out a paper towel or a towel and spray bottle, I can just take one of the wipes out and do a quick cleanup. So that is why I love these so much. So the next product I'm going to show you is by Odor Cleanse. It is a laundry additive. So this additive I actually use in my towels to remove any kind of mildew smell or any kind of smell that just won't get out. I will use just a little bit of this along with my normal detergent, and it completely removes the smell and odor. So I really like to use this. I don't have to use it every time I wash something, but I use it often if I start to smell like a mildewy smell in my towels and things like that. So I do have a link in the description box if you wanted to check out this product. They have a lot of great non-toxic products. Again, they're earth friendly. The next product I'm going to show you is my Barkeeper's Friend. So this really helps get out any kind of food stuck on my glass stove. The Cellulose sponge cloths, these are by Full Circle. So they're super strong. They can really like clean up really tough messes. So I like to use it either on my stove or in my microwave whenever I have food really stuck on something. So if you guys are interested in any of these cleaning products, most of my cleaning products come from Grove Collaborative, which I always have a link in my description box to that company, along with some kind of discount code or free offer. I think I have a free offer down there right now. So definitely check out the description box if you guys want to check out their website and get the free offer. Now my next favorite product for you guys is the Distilled white vinegar and lemon essential oils. So I do use this in my refrigerator. I use it in my microwave. I kind of put some essential oils just in a hot bowl, throw it in the microwave, heat it up for 5 minutes, kind of get the steam to loosen up any kind of dirt or anything or grime in the microwave. So once the steam is kind of loosen up the food in the microwave, I'll go ahead and take my vinegar and lemon mix, which I just keep in this purple spray bottle, and I'll go ahead and spray it in there. I usually just use this on top of the steam if my microwave has a little bit more grime than usual, which it did today. So I went ahead, sprayed that kind of at the bottom, and then it was able to get everything up and clean it. So the next cleaning product that I have for you guys is the Lemon Verbena by Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. I absolutely love Mrs. Meyer's, and this right now is my favorite, is my current favorite scent. So it is a multi-surface cleaner. You can use it everywhere, and I go ahead and clean my counters with it. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And don't forget to go check out Emily's video over at the Jackson Hive. And one question of the day I am going to ask you guys is, what is your favorite time of day to clean? So go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, and I will meet you guys there and say hi so I know that you're here. See you guys.